What's up, guys? Today we're checking out this FREAPP Mini PC. So this is a powerful PC. It does have Intel 11th gen built in. It does have 16 gigs of RAM and it has 512 gigs of memory. So here's how it came packaged. It's a super small mini PC. Let me show you. So FREAPP is the brand. It looks like in the back we have 2 HDMI ports, Ethernet cable, 2 USB ports, the power supply, 2 USB-C ports, and then it looks like we have a cooling fan right here, little fans right here on the side, or grills for air. And then in the back in the front we do have 2 USB 3.0 ports, headphone jack, and the power supply. So this is how big it is. As you can see, it's a very good size. And then we also do get a small user manual. We do get the power supply, and we get one HDMI cable to get started. So let me set it up and then we'll use it with our Windows 11. So we have everything ready to go, plugged in. We have our HDMI cables, our mouse, our keyboard, and our power supply plugged in. I love how small it is. Right now it's loading up so we can activate Windows, and it should be any second now. All right, so Windows loaded. Now what we have to do is we gotta name the PC, we gotta enter a password for security, and we'll be able to get it on our PC. So we set up our security features. Now it says this might take a few minutes, and it's setting up Windows. Super quiet, not a noise. Love the size. Let's give it Windows away. Is set up, guys. It's already loaded and the PC is super smooth. It runs really good. So for internals, we do have a powerful Intel 11 processor. It does have for memory we have 16 gigs of memory. For the SSD, we have an M.2 SSD card with 512 gigs, which is a lot of memory on this little machine, and it runs really good. So we do have up to 4K streaming, and you can do dual monitors. So right now we're gonna connect my second monitor so you guys can see how smooth it is. But overall, it just works really good. So we can open tabs. As you can see, it's working really good, very smooth. We can set up multiple items on here and use it as a great office computer. And there you have it, guys. We have both monitors set up side by side. As you can see, we can work on both sides if we want to. So very easy to use, very smooth, runs really good, and super quiet. So we just want to show you guys this mini PC from FREAPP. We really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.